Welcome, here I've got Nokia 835G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the second place here we have the grid option, so by just one tap here at this button and we can turn on the camera grid lines, and another tap to turn them off when we don't need them. And now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera preview. As you can see, we have these lines now. So this is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the right corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need them, we have to just simply go back to the left corner and then use this button to turn them off. So for now in the preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.